Today I'm going to the Holy Trinity Monastery and I want to see if this place feels as special as it looks. Hello everyone from the beautiful Meteora. The name Meteora means something that's floating in the air, and that really fits this place. What makes Meteora special, it's not only the landscape, but also its history. These monasteries were built on the top of huge rock pillars, and for a long time monks had to use ropes and nets to reach them. Holy Trinity Monastery was built in 15th century. Later, stairs were built and that made access easier. And if you want to enter a monastery, you need clothes that cover your shoulder and legs. At one time there were about 24 monasteries in Meteora. Today, only 6 are still active. This area is also great if you like to be active. There are nice roads, amazing views and good places for running or cycling. Meteora is a very famous place, but it still feels special. Just be ready for crowds or come early. Thanks for watching. See you.